Hello and welcome to my channel Trading Skills. So here I have taken a trade in a down direction and we will definitely win this trade. The reasons are very simple. So we need to analyze the market like this. So you can see here a strong seller's entry from this point. Market closed as a reversal candlestick, closed at the level. So because of this, the next candle will definitely go down from this point. So the next level is here, or the next level is here. So market is getting the rejection from this seller's entry points, so a definite win will be there. So you will see here. Okay, so we won this trade. Now I need to analyze another market. Okay, so I will wait here for this candlestick, then I'm going to decide what I need to do. Okay, so if I want to draw a line from this point, you here, this is the level. Okay, buyer's entry point. Now what I'm seeing here, let me change the color. I'm seeing here a seller's movement, a strong seller's movement, and if the candle closes here with a good rejection, I'm going to take my trade in an up direction. Otherwise, I think the next candle will definitely go down and it will make a bearish candle. So I can go here with the sellers. This candlestick will definitely make this move easy because it made a new low. The trend line is far away, so it is a sure shot winning trade. So you will see here a winning trade for sure. Okay, you will see here a bearish candle. I cannot say that there will be a bullish because we can get two candles here, a doji or a bearish. Otherwise there is no chance for the bullish candlestick. So let's see. Okay, market needs to go down as I told you all, so it will be a bearish candlestick. If it is getting a rejection, so it is not our issue, but market will move in a down direction. Now after this candlestick I can go here with the buyers, because you can see here one thing easily, that at this point, at this level, this is a trend line. Market closed exactly at the trend line, and now therefore market can make here a bullish candle. So therefore I took my trade, and now you can see another thing, that this is the buyer's area and this is the buyer's entry point. So because of that, this candlestick can also move in an up direction. So we can expect here a retracement candlestick. So you will see here a confirmed winning trade. Okay, if I get a loss in trade, so it will be because of the gap down opening. Otherwise it is a sure shot 100% green candlestick trade. So let's see what happens here. Okay, market is trying to go up and it needs to move in an up direction, so this is a winning trade. So I want to explain you all that. Okay, I think I need to do, and I need to take more trades, but which pair is missing right now? Okay, euro gbp. I need to analyze this pair also here. I can, okay, a late entry, very late entry. So my prediction is only for the bearish candlestick here because of this momentum, and this candlestick is a weak candlestick, and I took my trade here at this area, and market gave me such a late entry here, but this is not my fault. So the next candle again will close for sure here as a bearish candlestick. So you will see here a winning trade again. Okay, so I took here 4 trades and I won each and every trade. So I want to explain you all the trades again. So my first trade was here. Okay, let me move the chart a bit more. So now you can see here, if you analyze the market here, you can easily see that market closed here as a reversal candlestick with a rejection, and on the left side you can see here it is a seller's momentum, seller's entry point. So because of that we won this trade. And I want to show you all another thing here. If you analyze the market here, I want to show you here one thing, that what kind of pattern you all are expecting here, and you can easily see that this is also a head and shoulder pattern. Now you can see this is the head, shoulder, left shoulder and the right shoulder. Okay, so you can see here head and shoulder pattern also. So market will give you so many chances if you utilize them properly. Okay, so now after this I took this trade. Again I want to go a bit on the left side. Now you can see here if I want to show you, so here if I want to show you here the reasons, you can easily see that market movement is like this. It was a bit ranging sector, we can avoid this. Now you can see again a lower low movement. So this candle made a new low, and this was a strong candle, a sign of continuation. So because of that I took my trade here and we won this trade also. So I need to show you all my third trade. Okay, so you can see here, if you analyze the market here, you can see a lower low movement, but this candlestick is closing exactly at the trend line. And now you can see here, because of that we are getting here a winning trade, a bullish candlestick. So this candlestick is a sign of reversal here. So I'm going to show you my last trade. Okay, in this area, if you want to analyze the market here, I took my last trade here. In this situation you can see here again a lower low movement here, and I took my trade on the basis of this momentum, bearish momentum, and a single candlestick is a sign that the next candle will also go down, because a single weak candle cannot stop the force of the sellers. So because of that I took my trade, and you can see that such a huge and big candlestick. I took my trade here at this area, but unfortunately market gave me a late entry. So because of that I got this entry point, a late entry point. So this is how you can take trades easily, and I think it's not that much difficult for you all, because right now I'm only having 3 pairs and I took 4 trades here. And if you are having any kind of issues, you can ask me on my Telegram, and try to help each other again and again. And in group I'm always watching individual, they are helping each other, and discussion is there. So it is very good effort from you all. So if you want to learn more and more, you can join our channel, you can subscribe our channel Trading Skills, and if you have any queries you can ask me on my Telegram. And you can also join our channel, our group on Telegram. The link is in the description. So stay blessed you all, have a blessed day ahead. Bye for now, and try to help each other and try to learn more and more, so we will get the best results after a very short time of period, but you need to check each and everything properly, and you need to practice them again and again, because if you get the main points you can easily be in profit. So stay blessed you all. Bye for now. Have a blessed day ahead. Bye.